Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new, and today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. This is my second Valentine's Day look, and this one is a little bit more, actually a lot more simple than the one that I did last week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and this is just like a quick, easy Valentine's Day look, but glam at the same time. So if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, then please do so down below. We are, as I have stated several times, in the middle of a giveaway, and I will list all the details down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out so you can enter, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Alright, so we will be starting out this look using the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette, and what? Check out those editing skills. Your girl's been practicing. So going into the palette, we'll be taking this first shade and using that as our transition shade for this look today, and I will be starting off using the brush that comes in that Urban Decay palette. Then we'll go in with the second shade in the palette and put that in the outer corner of the lid area and start packing that on and then blending that out into the outer V of the eye. So basically we're just going to like kind of create like the winged liner effect, but do it with eyeshadow, if that makes sense. You'll see what I'm doing in the tutorial. It'll all make sense when you watch me do it. And then I'll be taking my fluffy blending brush and then blending out all the harsh edges of the eyeshadow to make sure everything is nice and blended. And then going back into that palette, I'll be taking that next shade and packing that on top of the previous shade that we used, just layering everything together. Then I'll be taking my Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow, and I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce the name of this liquid eyeshadow, but you will see it right here. And then I'm going to apply that all over the lid area and blend it into that eyeshadow. So it is kind of hard to work with in a sense of you have to kind of blend it out yourself, because you'll see at this harsh line right here where the liquid eyeshadow ends. So I'll take the brush in the Urban Decay palette and just blend that out, and it does kind of lose some of the effect of that liquid eyeshadow. So I do go back in a second time, as you can see right here, with that liquid eyeshadow just to layer everything and make sure it blends together. You do have to go back and forth a couple of times with this method, but it will blend out pretty quickly for you. So once we do that, I'll take that brush and just make sure everything is blended out and transitions smoothly to the next shade and into that glitter. And then go back with my blending brush again and blend out the crease area. Then I'm going to go in with that very first shade in the Urban Decay palette and use that as my brow bone highlight. And for the face, I'll be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte and my YSL All Hours foundation, and I'll mix these two together. Now, the last time you saw me use the YSL foundation, I was like, girl, I was just testing it out from Sephora with a little sample, and I was like, I really love this foundation, but I could not see myself spending $60 on a foundation. But thank goodness for Christmas presents, right? My mom got me that foundation for Christmas, so shout out to my mom. Thank you so much. Now, will I be investing in that foundation once it runs out? I don't know. We will see. This is to be continued, but I do love that foundation so much, and I do use it very, very, very sparingly, because that's $60, girl. I don't know about you, but I take my $60 very seriously, so I do use it very sparingly. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and use that to conceal under my eyes, the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the center of my chin. And I will blend that out using my Morphe Beauty Sponge. And almost all the brushes you will see me using in this video, except for the Urban Decay brush, are going to be the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Favorites brush set. My boyfriend got me that for Christmas, so major shout out to him for getting me that, because I've been talking about it for the longest and he was able to get it for me for Christmas. So yeah, I've been loving using those brushes. And then I will set the under eye using my RCMA No Color Powder, and I'll just take my beauty sponge and tap that under the eyes and blend it out. And I'm not really baking, I'm just more setting the under eye concealer. And for the rest of the face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I'll be taking my big fluffy powder brush and then just patting that all over my face and down my neck to set the foundation on my face and neck as well. Then going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, I'll be taking the lightest shade in the palette and using that to contour with. And for bronzer, I'll be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I'll be cleaning up my contour using that RCMA No Color Powder. Then I'm going to immediately go in and brush away that baking powder, because I don't really want to let it set too long. I just kind of wanted to clean up that contour. Get it looking nice and sharp and chiseled for this Valentine's Day look. For blush, I'll be going in with a Champagne Pop Split Pan with Becca Cosmetics, and I'll be taking that blush shade for my blush today. And back to the eyes, I'll be taking my NYX eye pencil in the shade White and using that as my waterline eye color. And then I'll be going back into the palette and taking that deep purple burgundy shade, whatever you want to call it, and tight lining the outer corner of my lower lash line and blending that out with that transition shade that we use at the very beginning of this eye look. Then I'll be going into my Huda Beauty highlighter palette and using the Winter Rose highlighter shade for my inner corner. I know you guys are probably sick of seeing me use this highlighter palette, but it's so gorgeous and I love playing with it for all my looks. And then for mascara, I'll be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Now I'll be taking Champagne Pop from that split pan as well and using my beauty sponge to just apply my highlight. Then for the lips, I'll be going in with my NYX Liquid Suede Liquid Lipstick, and I'll be going in with this vintage shade and applying that all over my lips for this look. And then I'll set everything with my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray, and then I'll pat everything in with my Morphe blending sponge. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you all have a wonderful and very fun Valentine's Day. Even if you are single, go get yourself some chocolates, girl. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.